Hi and welcome to ISBI. Last weekend I reached 100 subscribers, which is amazing for me. I don't know what to say, because it's so overwhelming for me. I can't thank you enough for your support. With your subscription, you have confirmed that I make the right thing, and with your views, comments and likes, you filled this channel with life. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And now have fun with this video. I made a small box which is filled to the top with wooden blocks. This box represents my YouTube channel, and the blocks inside are the content of my channel. The red block on top of the box represents subscriber number 100. Here is a little story that will amaze you. Not a long time ago I created a YouTube channel and began to fill it with content. I uploaded videos, more videos and more videos. And with the videos came the first subscribers. I was very happy that more and more people have subscribed to my channel. I was wondering how long it will take until 100 subscribers. The subscribers watched my videos and began to write comments. Sometimes they gave me a thumb up, sometimes a thumb down. And before I even expected, I reached 100 subscribers. And all that happened on my channel. Probably you now think, what the heck? Amazing, right? How the hell fit this red block also in this box? I made this puzzle box just for the 100 subscriber special, but it was so fun to build that I maybe build some more puzzles in the future. In the next video I will show you how I built this puzzle box and what's the secret behind it. So stay tuned and have a nice week. Until next time. See ya.